Did you know that a SharePoint task list can shapeshift and work in Outlook, Project, and Excel? That's right. Everyone can interact with this task list the way they want to, but they're all working from the same one. Okay, here's a team site in SharePoint created from an Office 365 group, but it could be any site in SharePoint. I'm going to click on the settings gear and add an app. We'll select tasks and create our task list. Now, we've added a couple of tasks here. Here you can see how much more robust a SharePoint task is as opposed to a regular Outlook task. Now, let's see how to work with this in Outlook. We'll click on the List tab here and choose Connect to Outlook. And here it is. If we mark tasks complete here or add content in the Outlook task item, it will sync up with SharePoint. What about Microsoft Project? You can now open up a task plan directly into Microsoft Project like this and use all of its robust tools. No more having to get a license for everyone. Only the project manager needs one. Everyone else can just update SharePoint and it will sync up with Project automatically. Finally, if you just need to look at the tasks or want to use Excel's handy-dandy data slinging features with your task list, you can export it to Excel. If you save this file, it will update with the SharePoint list. You can't make any changes here, just look at it and analyze it. Please join me this month on June 14th for Sawbuck seminars Managing Projects in SharePoint, and on June 21st for Working Smart Not Hard in Microsoft Project. Visit sawbuckseminars.com, upcoming webinars page to register. It's only $10. Can't make it at that time? Register anyway, and you get 30 days access to the recording. But you have to register before the broadcast date, which is practically right now. See you there.